Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can check password of Instagram account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, simply go ahead, open up your Instagram app, then tap on this profile icon at the bottom right corner, tap on this three horizontal line on top right corner, tap on account center, tap on password and security. Then go to change password, choose your account. Now when you go to your current password, you should be able to find this kind of section where you tap on this key icon, then you will find the saved password of your account. Go ahead, type that password in, and then you will know your current password. That's one way to know your current password. Otherwise, if you have forgotten your password of your account, what you can do is you can go back to the section of change password again and choose your account. And then when you go back, you simply have to go back and simply go ahead, log out of your account. Once you log out, and then when you go to log in, you tap on forgot password, and when you do that, Instagram will ask you to provide your phone number or email address. Go ahead, provide the code as well, and then reset new password. That's the way to check out the password of your Instagram account. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.